My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to talk about in this video the Schedule 1 additional income and adjustments to income and how it came to be due to the tax reform that was implemented in 2018 through Trump's administration. So in this video, I'm going to show you how that came about. So when it comes to the 2017 form itself, this is the form we basically used before the tax reform kicked in. And so as you can see, page 1 has income and adjustments to income in it, which was named Schedule 1. So that's how they did that when it came to tax reform. So when it came to the different schedules we use today, they all came from the 1040, and they were just broken down by sections and renamed. So income and adjustments to income was called Schedule 1. And so that's how they did that. And so when you look at the Schedule 1 forms for 2020 or 2019, these are the different additional incomes that's possible on a 1040, and these are the adjustments that's possible on a 1040. Now, due to the tax reform, some things that's no longer in play right now, like alimony received and alimony paid is no longer in play right now until 2025. So if you paid somebody alimony, oh well, you just paid it, you won't be able to write it off on your tax return due to tax reform bill that's been implemented already in 2018, which is scheduled to expire in 2025. So that's one of those situations right there where you won't be able to utilize it. I think also moving expense was another thing that was taken out of play as far as deductions. And so when it comes to different things, due to the tax reform bill, you're not able to deduct them right now. That's a couple of ones I just mentioned. But when it comes to additional income, other than alimony being taken out, we have taxable refunds, credits, offsets, states, local income tax to line 1. So the most common thing you'll find here is for people who itemized and got a state tax return, they would have to that would have to be done where that would show that they had got a state return because they had itemized. Or if the IRS owed you a refund, but it took them too long to get it to you, the interest that accumulated on it, you would get a statement in the mail the following year, let you know this is what you have to file in your tax return for the interest that you got on your tax refund money. And so when it comes to business income, which is Schedule C, self-employment is the common name used for it. Rental income, which is Schedule E for the most part, and dealing with partnerships and S corporations as well. So for people who had a partnership or S corporation, the portion of income or losses that they had inside their business that flow through would come on this form right here. It's on Schedule 1. Back in the day, 2017, we had line 17 that dealt with that. So that's the difference. The line 17 of the 1040 of the 2017 form dealt with that situation. But now, due to tax reform, Schedule 1 has it here, line 5. And so those are, since they made the adjustments, all the line item numbers have changed, of course, due to reconfiguration. So that's how it works when it comes to how we came to get Schedule 1. Schedule 1 came from the 1040 2017 form because income and adjustments to income was on page 1. They pulled those out and called it Schedule 1, and that's how we got those. So if you need to learn more about anything concerning the 1040 series returns, and you may be a taxpayer who's looking to learn how to do their own tax preparation returns, I do have a program in place to help you learn how to prepare your own tax return if you don't want to continue to pay a tax professional to do them for you year after year. So if you want to learn more about that, reach out to me with my contact information on how to make that happen. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so every time I go live, upload a video, you'll be notified. Please join my email list so I can keep you updated on what's happening in the industry as it relates to tax preparation and taxation that may affect you definitely due to this corona situation, and all the money that was given out will affect your tax return for the 2020 season, which starts in 2021 of January. and I'll definitely see you in my next video.